I'm Joshua AKA Kudo, a deaf tech creator. Here's my journey into coding and advice for beginners. I'll share my story and how I started, and which languages you might want to try first. Top 5 languages: Python, Java, JavaScript, C, C#. Most of them are used in backend like servers or systems. But JavaScript is cool. It can be used in both front-end and back-end. My first language was Python. I learned logic, problem-solving, and it made coding fun. Web development, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, is visual, creative, and beginner-friendly. Java is structured. C and C# are harder. Pick based on your path, not pressure. Start with Python or HTML, CSS, JS. Don't wait. Learn by doing. You'll grow faster. I'm here to support your coding journey. Comment below and follow for more deaf tech content.